Countly Budgeting App Review. Usage Experience. Links to the Countly app are added to the description below. Countly is not a traditional personal budgeting app. Instead, it's an advanced product analytics and customer engagement platform designed for businesses that want to track user behavior across their apps and digital products. If you're looking for a personal finance tracker, Countly is not the right tool for that. However, if you're a business owner, product manager, or part of a growth team looking to understand how users interact with your app or service, Countly offers deep insights into user journeys, conversion funnels, retention rates, and revenue tracking. Countly supports real-time analytics, allowing you to see how users engage with your app at any moment. It tracks metrics like session length, screen views, events, and even custom actions you define. One of its most valuable features is cohort analysis, which helps you segment users based on behavior and monitor how different groups perform over time. This makes it incredibly useful for identifying where users drop off, which features drive the most engagement, and where improvements are needed to maximize user retention and revenue. Countly also offers strong revenue analytics, allowing you to track in-app purchases, subscriptions, and other financial data directly linked to user activity. This financial tracking element can be useful for budgeting purposes within product teams, helping you align spending on development, marketing, and customer acquisition with actual revenue generated through the app. Additionally, Countly's user profiles help you understand individual spending patterns, making it easier to design personalized offers or retention strategies. For teams, Countly supports customizable dashboards, allowing different departments, whether finance, marketing, or product development, to access only the data relevant to their roles. It also integrates with various external tools, including CRMs and marketing automation platforms, streamlining data flow across your tech stack. Security is another strong point, with on-premise deployment options for businesses needing full data control. In summary, Countly is not a personal finance app, but an enterprise-level analytics platform with financial tracking capabilities that help businesses budget smarter and understand the financial impact of user behavior. If you're a business user looking for actionable insights tied to revenue, it's a great fit. For personal budgeting, you'll want to look at more traditional apps. Links to Countly are in the description if you want to explore its features further.